Hey y'all, it's Deen, and nothing's changed. I'm in the chicken box. Still haven't looked in the mirror, have no idea what it looked like, and now here I am on TV. Today y'all, we're doing tuna. The chicken box has fresh tuna and chicken salad and egg salad and pimento cheese every day. Y'all call me on a good day, I need some fresh tuna, so I've got one big can of tuna. It's, I don't know how much, it's probably 5 pounds, maybe 4 pounds of fresh tuna. And y'all know what? Tuna fish has gotten expensive. This is the recipe. I'm not gonna be able to do it like I do at Mama's house where Teresa has everything done. I got work to do, y'all. We open in 1 hour and 5 minutes, so duty calls. And our tuna fish that we do have done at the Bag Lady forever. We have boiled eggs. We're using mayonnaise. I've got some dill pickle and a little bit of celery to give it a little bit of body. I season it with lemon pepper, with black pepper, and I'm going to use some Jane's Crazy Salt today, and I've got dehydrated onions. Now, without doing this with a measurement, might throw y'all off a little bit. First of all, you're not making 5 cans of tuna at the house at one time, probably. So y'all look, Teresa will make sure that you can find the recipe. It's really a delicious tuna. We've been down here, this is our second week, and tuna hasn't been a great big seller, but I love it, and we have some customers that really love it. So I'm going to continue to produce it until I find my audience. It's been really exciting down here, and it's so fun to do a new thing. It's just fun for me. I don't know, I built birdhouses for a while, and then I started watercoloring for a while, and then where I really live, where my art is in the kitchen. So here I am. I got about 10 eggs that we're gonna put in here. Make sure and squeeze your tuna really good. You want it to be super dry. So what I've done is I've squeezed out these pickles as well. I don't want a lot of moisture in here. Because have you ever seen tuna salad and it gets kind of wet? It's got a puddle in the bottom of it. That's gross. Now this is where my 30 years of culinary expertise come in.
Your mom would be proud.
I'm gonna say that maybe 2 cups. And what you gotta be careful of here is that it's gonna be hard to take that out of there if I don't need it. So I always start a little bit short of what I think I'm gonna need. Always kind of pretty come close. And another thing I like to do is I season my mayonnaise. This mayonnaise is going to cover everything. So probably a couple of tablespoons. Maybe a tablespoon of dry onion. And now if I take the time and mix my seasonings up in my mayonnaise before I spread it, that gives an even coat of flavor through the whole thing. Let's see how close I am. And you've been doing it as long as I have. Sometimes you surprise yourself. And measurements and things like that just kind of come together. That was pretty spot on with this. I'm gonna put one more, about 1/4 of a cup. I don't know. I think I hit that one. I don't want it much more wet than that. What can I say? That's good tuna fish. I'm Jamie Deen. We'll see y'all around the chicken box.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.